Hello everyone, today we'll discuss very confusing topic, plant vs factory. What is the difference between plant and factory? See, the usage of these words are interchangeable, similar words, but once you focus deeply you will see some difference that I am going to discuss here. What is factory? Facilities that produces products. See, all the facilities required from starting to ending, that is all phase of production. Okay, all the facilities required for production, that is called factory. Collectively, these facilities collectively called factory. Then what is plant? Facilities that processes input. See, the facilities required for processing input material, that is called plant. Collectively, these facilities are called plant. See, look at next difference. Factories generally places where things are made. See, where is that all phase of production is going on, that place is called factory. Then what is plant? Where the processing takes place. Where is the process going to take place? See, for producing a product, behind some process will be there. Okay, where is that process is going on? That is plant. Next, see, look at calling by output. Factories are calling by output. For example, manufacture of cement, raw material converted into product, that is cement. Cement is a product, you can call cement factory. Okay, calling by its output. Next, in the case of plants are calling by process takes place or input energy. Plants are calling by process takes place. The example, water treatment plants. Water treatment plants. Water treatment is a process. So calling by process takes place. And one more thing, calling by input energy. For example, nuclear power plants. Nuclear power converted into electricity. Nuclear power is the input energy. So you can call nuclear power plants. See, I am talking about this generally. You will see most of the some exceptional cases. Okay, I am not talking about these exceptional cases, I am talking about generally. Let us see some examples. Water treatment plants. See, water treatment plant. Water treatment is a process, then you can call water treatment plant. Sewage treatment plant. You will not call sewage treatment factory. Okay, you will tell sewage treatment plant. Sewage treatment is a process. Next, nuclear power plants. Nuclear power is a input energy, then you can call nuclear power plants. Hydro power plants. Hydro power converted into electricity. Okay, so hydro power is a input energy, then you can call hydro power plants. Similarly, thermal power plants. Thermal power plant means thermal energy converted into electricity. Next, automobile factory. Automobile is a product or output. So factories are calling by output. Automobile factory. Cement factory. Cement is an output. So cement factory. But here, look at here. Steel plants. See, these and all exceptional cases. Okay, I am not talking about exceptional cases. Steel plant means steel is a product or output. Okay, but here mentioned as steel plant. So these kind of some exceptional cases you will see. I am not talking about these exceptional cases, talking about only general cases. Okay. Okay, thank you.